How to recover disabled Facebook account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search Facebook Help Center. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on Help Center, which is the first option in here. After you click on Help Center, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In the search bar at the top, search disabled account or account disabled and click on it. Then you'll find this kind of screen. In here, scroll down and you'll find appeal or suspension. In here, click on login to Facebook and appeal, as you will find a form. After you do that, if it still does not fix, at the bottom, scroll down in here and you'll find was this helpful? Click on no. After you press on no, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Now, click on this solution does not work and select. Now you can type in here your issue, my account got disabled, could you help me fix this, and submit it. Facebook will get back to you within 24 hours and solve your issue. This is how to recover a disabled Facebook account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.